This might sound crazy at first, but if you don't have a timetable, you're wasting your life. I'm going to explain you exactly why. Turns out, just picture it this way. Imagine a ship, right? Would you think that a ship would get, let's say, to Bristol Port in the UK, right? If they didn't had a map, if they didn't had a GPS, if they didn't had a compass, if they didn't had anything, how the fuck does that ship is going to arrive at port? It just doesn't make any sense, right? So how do you expect to fulfill certain goals? How do you expect, for example, to get girls? How do you expect to become rich? How do you expect to be successful? How do you expect to get status? How do you expect to have a fulfilling life if you don't have a plan for it? And not just a plan, but an actionable daily step sort of formatted plan. You know, if you don't have something like that, bro, it's really fucking hard to actually make it. It's really fucking hard to actually make something you want to accomplish. Stick to the good habits you want to stick to, especially in a world so full of distractions, a world so full of so many things that are going to cut your attention, that are going to spike your dopamine, and are going to leave you at a lower baseline that you were previously. And that's the thing. You need a guidance not just made by anybody, but a guidance made for your by yourself, for yourself, of the exactly the kind of thing you want to do daily to achieve the results you want to achieve. Unless you don't want to achieve anything, then it's just fine, bro. Just go and masturbate to Pornhub, go and just waste your time fucking around playing video games or whatever, right? Just feel good. But that's the thing. Even if you chase feeling good and having fun, you are going to have less and less and less and less fun and more and more and more pain in the long run. You have probably experienced this shit already. I have experienced this shit myself. When you stick to the bad habits for too long, you start getting depressed. The reason being because, like I said, when you spike your dopamine, it drops below baseline level. You know, when it drops below baseline, it just stays at that point unless you don't do anything else and you reset your neurotransmitters level, basically your dopamine receptors level, right? But you're going to go for that addictive shit, let's say video games or porn or junk food or whatever. You're going to go for it again because it felt so good the first time. It's going to feel a little bit less good right now. You're not going to notice the difference from the first time to the second one, but you're going to notice the difference from the first time to the 100th time, and to the 1000th time you're probably just going to be able only to go back to your normal state before you even started doing the whole habit, the whole bad habit in general. And that's the thing. That's the thing, man. I do explain it better in my course. It's entirely for free. I'm going to give it away. I'll probably upload it between today or tomorrow. And yeah, I just changed my mind. I wanted to just give away something really cool and really good for you guys, basically for free. Yeah, it was, I'm not going to lie, it was a tough decision. I really wanted to make some money out of it because I placed a lot of effort into it. But I do believe that I rather being able to help more people, and I rather being able to just give away what I was once given, this knowledge in depth, step by step, how to fix your life, how to get out of the bad habits, how to build exactly the kind of identity you want to embody in your life. You're going to make it you're going to make it big, man. if you just stick to this, if you just pay attention to me, if you just don't fall in the same pitfalls I fell, if you just heal to this message and apply all this knowledge, bro, you can do whatever you want with your life. You can achieve anything. Anything is within your grasp. And you need to realize of that. You need to learn how to dream big. You need to learn how to stop shortcoming yourself, how to stop basically thinking too small and demotivating yourself in the process, and believing in your limiting beliefs when there's nobody else but you who has placed them, who has allowed the world to place them in those pain points. So stop being constrained by your own limiting beliefs. Check the Notion template. It's free as well, about identity shifting in the description. Hopefully, I'll have already set up, when you see this video, the entire Lion Racers course. It's going to be fucking great, man. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you actually take some actionable steps, change your life forever. Stop wasting it around. And yes, I hope you get to experience peak human experience, because a life of indulgence, a life of bad habits, it only gets you to this addiction loop. It only gets you to this depression. And if you already know that, or if you don't know that but you are starting to suspect that, bro, do not waste more time. Start living the actual life you want to live, the life of accomplishment, the life of fulfillment, the life in which you can take care of your family, the life in which you have masculine brothers around you for whom you're willing to give your life, and whom are willing to give their lives for you. When you're building something great in the frontiers, when you're experiencing the best of life, when you are experiencing adventure, when you are feeling like a true man. And I want that for you, because that's what I always wanted for myself, because that's what I'm building here. Check out the link in the description to my Discord server. It's as free as well, for just for reference, and join our community. We are building the future here, and I hope to see you inside. Take care, bro.